Imagine this. You're applying for Social Security Disability benefits. You're under 50, and you're unable to work your old job due to a medical condition. The Social Security Administration, or SSA, wants to know if you can work job, even a very simple one. This is where the easiest job test comes in. This hypothetical scenario helps the SSA determine if you qualify for disability benefits. It's a thought experiment with real-world consequences. The SSA isn't looking for you to find this exact job. They're trying to understand your functional limitations. Think of it like this. If you can't perform even the simplest job, it strengthens your case for disability. But if you could manage this hypothetical job, your claim might be denied. This makes understanding the easiest job test crucial for anyone seeking disability benefits. The outcome of your claim hinges on this question. Can you handle a job with minimal demands, allowing you to sit, stand, or move around as needed? Your answer, backed by strong evidence, could be the difference between approval and denial. So what does this easiest job look like? Imagine a job where you can sit or stand whenever you need to. This job allows you to move around a little bit. You might have to lift a very light object occasionally, maybe 5 pounds. There's minimal interaction with others. You don't have to deal with the public. Your tasks are simple and repetitive, requiring basic understanding. The work environment is calm and controlled. This job is designed to be as accommodating as possible. It's meant to represent the absolute minimum requirements for employment. The SSA uses this scenario to assess your functional capacity, regardless of your previous work experience. It's important to remember that this is a hypothetical job. It's not about finding this exact position in the real world. The focus is on your ability to perform any kind of work, even under the most lenient conditions. Now, the critical question, could you handle this hypothetical job given your medical condition? Answering this honestly is crucial for your disability claim. If you genuinely believe you couldn't manage even these minimal demands, you need to prove it. Consider the limitations imposed by your condition. Do they prevent you from sitting or standing for short periods? Do you have difficulty concentrating on simple tasks? Would even minimal interaction be too challenging? Remember, honesty is paramount. Exaggerating your limitations won't help your case. The SSA will scrutinize your claims and supporting evidence. Your focus should be on providing a clear and accurate picture of your functional capacity. If you're unsure about your ability to perform this hypothetical job, consult with a medical professional. Their assessment can provide valuable evidence to support your claim. Saying no to this hypothetical job can significantly impact your disability claim. It demonstrates that your condition prevents you from engaging in even the most basic employment. This strengthens your argument for disability benefits. However, your no needs to be supported by strong evidence. This is where medical records become crucial. Your medical documentation should clearly outline your limitations and how they prevent you from working. Think of your medical records as the foundation of your case. They provide objective proof of your condition and its impact on your life. The more detailed and comprehensive your records, the stronger your claim becomes. Remember, the SSA isn't just looking for a diagnosis. They need to understand how your condition affects your ability to function in a work setting. Your medical records should bridge this gap and clearly demonstrate your inability to work. While the easiest job scenario is hypothetical, it helps the Social Security Administration assess your limitations in a real-world context. They're trying to determine if there's any type of work you could realistically perform. Imagine trying to hold down any job if you couldn't sit or stand comfortably for even short periods. What if even minimal interaction caused overwhelming anxiety? These limitations would make it nearly impossible to maintain employment. The SSA understands that limitations extend beyond physical capabilities. Mental health conditions can significantly impair your ability to work, even in a simple job setting. Your medical records should reflect the full scope of your limitations, both physical and mental. This ensures the SSA has a complete picture of your condition and its impact on your ability to work. The SSA uses the easiest job scenario to standardize its evaluation process. It provides a baseline for assessing functional capacity across a wide range of disabilities. This doesn't mean the SSA disregards individual circumstances. They consider factors like age, education, and work history when evaluating your claim. However, the easiest job test remains a crucial element in their decision-making process. It's important to remember that the SSA operates under strict guidelines. Their primary goal is to ensure that only those who truly qualify receive disability benefits. By understanding the SSA's perspective, you can better prepare your case. Focus on providing clear and convincing evidence that demonstrates your inability to work, even in the most accommodating job setting. Building a strong disability claim requires more than just stating your limitations. You need to provide compelling evidence that supports your claim. This is where detailed medical records become essential. Your medical records should paint a comprehensive picture of your condition. They should include diagnoses, treatment plans, medications, and the results of any tests or procedures. The more detailed your records, the better. Don't rely on your doctor's notes alone. Gather evidence from all healthcare providers involved in your treatment. This might include specialists, therapists, or counselors. Their perspectives can provide valuable insights into your condition. Remember, the SSA needs to understand how your condition affects your ability to function on a daily basis. Detailed medical records provide the objective evidence needed to support your claim. While medical records are crucial, other types of evidence can strengthen your disability claim. Consider providing statements from people familiar with your condition and its impact on your life. Family members, friends, or former colleagues can offer valuable perspectives on your limitations. Their statements should focus on observable behaviors and how your condition affects your daily activities. Keep in mind that these statements should be factual and avoid exaggeration. The goal is to provide a well-rounded picture of your condition and how it prevents you from working. In addition to personal statements, consider providing documentation of your limitations. This might include photographs, videos, or even a journal entry documenting your struggles. The more evidence you can provide, the stronger your case becomes. Navigating the complexities of a disability claim can be overwhelming. If you're struggling to understand the process or gather the necessary evidence, don't hesitate to seek help. A qualified disability advocate or attorney can provide invaluable guidance and support throughout the entire process. They can help you understand the SSA's requirements, gather strong evidence, and prepare for your hearing. Remember, you don't have to face this challenge alone. Seeking professional help can significantly increase your chances of a successful outcome. A disability advocate can be your advocate, guiding you every step of the way and fighting for your rights. Don't let the complexities of the system discourage you. With the right help and a strong understanding of the process, you can navigate the disability claim system and secure the benefits you deserve.